Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Yusnita and to everyone. So today we are going to present our group project assignment, which is Malaya for the subject Fundamentals of Data Structure CSC248. Next, our group consists of 3 people. So first, me and myself, Farhan Dinal bin Muhammad Fazil. Second is Dewi Tri Suleha binti Safi, and last but not least is Nuri Nabila binti Normin. This is the table of the content. Next is our objective. So Masker Malaya system is a program to help seller to determine some calculation to determine price that needed to be paid by the customer. Other than that, the uses of this program is to insert, remove, counter, search, update and sort of the data that are already stored in the system. Next is 2.0, which is class of object. So first class is public class masker extend customer. So this the attribute first is masker code, which is string, masker quantity string, masker description string, discount double and price double. So next is the method. First is masker, which is string integer, get master code string, set master code void, get master quantity integer, set masker quantity void, get discount double, get price double, and to string. So for the next class is public class category. So the attribute is just one only, which is masker code string. Next is the method. First is the category string. Second is the read from text file void. Third is get price double. The fourth one is get description string. So next class is abstract class customer. So the attribute has two, which is first name string, membership boolean, and the method customer name, get name string, set name, read from text file void, membership boolean to string. So next class is public class summary, which is find all string, find by name string, find by masker code string, remove by index string, update list string, calculate price by masker code string, calculate price by name string, total price and average string, classification by category string, find highest payment string, find lowest payment string, sort by masker code descending string, sort by masker code ascending string. The next class is public class node, which is the attribute data object and next for node. So the method in the class node is first node object, not node object node, get data object, set next void, get next node. So next class is public class linked list. So the attribute head node, current node and tail node. So the method in the linked list class is linked list. Size integer is empty boolean, get first node, get next node, get last node, add last void, add first void, get first object, get last object, get next object, remove last object, remove first object, set void, get object. So the last but not least class is public class queue. The attribute is list, linked list, method queue. In queue object void, the queue object void is empty boolean, front object and rear object. So next is list of processing. So we have 9 list of processing. So the first is to insert the inventory data from text file into the list. Second is to insert into another list followed by categories of mask. Third is counting, which is to count total of maskers sold by each categories. The fourth one is summation, which is to calculate total price and average to all customer. The next is average, to find average of total price of all customer. The next one is maximum, to find the highest type of mask that have been sold. Next, we also have searching, which is to search and display the customer based on the masker code or name. Next is sorting, to sort masker code by ascending and descending order. And finally, to save all record of the customer in the text file. Next, our group members Dewi Tri Suleha will explain 4.0, which is all the coding, the method, the attribute in each class in more detail.
I will discuss about the source code the program lah. So first we discuss customer class first. So the customer class kita boleh customer can input their name and we can identify if they are membership or not. So private void read from text file. Okay, so this function will read from notepad membership and get the name to identify the name is in the list of membership. So membership, the list of the membership will dalam dekat membership txt. So dekat function public boolean membership dekat bawah dia tu, we will get membership status lah and will return true or false from function read from text file. So if the customer not membership, they don't get 50% discount. from the masker Malaya system. So next, masker class. Masker class. Okay. So masker class. Masker class is masker punya macam tentang masker lah. Semua tentang masker. So dekat public class masker ni dia extend dari form customer class. So kita discuss dia punya function public double discount. So dekat sini kita dapat get discount, get price, get description and get weight. Untuk khas untuk masker tu lah. So public double discount ni kita dapat get discount after identify the membership, and public double price pula kita dapat get price based on masker category class, and description get description based on masker category class juga, and get weight based on masker category class. So kita akan pergi category class, masker category. Masker category class. Okay, so category class. Okay, so kita ada function di mana this function is to read from notepad and get the item detail based on masker code. So dengan masker TXT itu adalah dia punya harga. So contohnya A1 20 gram berapa. So kategori ni dia ada dua kategori. A1, B1, C1, D1 adalah 20 gram dan A2, B2, C2, D2 adalah 30 gram. So diorang ada different harga masing-masing lah. Harga yang berbeza. So benda tu ada dekat masker TXT. So kita dapat from the text file ni kita dapat masker description, masker price and masker punya berat. So we move to linked list. Okay, so linked list ni kita dapat get the size from linked list lah based on count, and check the list is empty or not using public boolean is empty, and public not get first, public not get next, and get last. We get first object from link last, next, and the last object from the linked list. So function public word at last ni, this function will add object in the last of the list. Sama juga macam dekat bawah tu, at first kita dapat function with yang mana kita dapat tambah objek lah in the beginning of the list. Sama juga dekat bawah, this function will get the first object from the list. Sama juga next, and function object remove last ni. Okay, this function will delete object from the list. Kita boleh delete function lah from the list. And public object remove first. Okay, this function will delete object for index 0 from the list. So yang public word remove ni, this function will delete object lah based on index from the list. Kat bawah pun sama, dia boleh replace object from the list based on index. Okay, so kita move kepada sorting. So we use bubble sort algorithm. Okay. So this is how sort the object in the list by sorting object in the list by price in ascending and descending. So we use bubble sort. Ini by price, and dekat bawah dia we use bubble sort algorithm to sort the object in the list by name in ascending and descending. So A to Z, like that. So okay, minimum and maximum. Okay, these two function, public object minimum quantity and public object maximum quantity ni, this function is to get minimum quantity lah, sort from in the list. And also dekat bawah dia function untuk get maximum quantity. Okay, paling bawah sekali, public in count masker sort. Okay, this function is to count total masker sort from the list lah. Okay, so next, empty list exception. So this class to handle exception if the list is null. So next, not. Okay, not ni dia will receive object. and set item for current object and next object. So next queue. So this queue to boolean is empty ni to check the queue is empty or not, and public insights ni to identify the queue size. Okay, so dekat bawah tu dia refer kepada linked list lah. Mutator for queue based on linked list, accessor for queue based on linked list, and dekat bawah tu kita dapat get the first object from queue and get last object from queue. Okay, next kita go to summary. So summary ni summary linked list ni retrieve list from main class. So first, public string find only retrieve all item from the list to display. Okay. So public string find by name. Okay, so this will retrieve item by name from the list to display. Okay, so dekat bawah pun sama, find by master code. Okay, so dua benda ni kita boleh find nama customer and code apa, kita boleh terus masukkan. Contohnya C1. Okay, so dia displaykan customer siapa yang beli kod tersebut. So sama juga dengan nama, kita boleh terus search dekat dalam sistem tersebut. So dekat bawah public code remove by index. So kita boleh remove specific item from the list using index. So contoh saya nak remove index ke-7, customer yang ke-7 macam tu. So dia boleh update terus, public void update dia. So dia boleh update terus. So next, public double calculate all payment by master code. So this function will calculate total price from the list for specific master code lah. And dekat bawah pula dia sama juga, dia calculate total price from the list, tapi by tadi customer code, ni pula by customer name. So dekat bawah sama juga, dia dikira calculate total price and average from the list for all item in the list. So dekat bawah kita boleh find dia punya public string master sort by category. Kita boleh find dia punya minimum and maximum sort item by category from the list. So dekat bawah public void classification by category. Okay, so this function is to export all data from the list to notepad by category of mask. So contohnya macam customer ni beli A, customer ni beli B, customer ni beli C. So semua benda tu cuba dekat bawah, scroll dekat bawah. So dekat bawah ni customer, siapa yang beli kod A, siapa yang beli kod B, siapa beli kod C, dia akan, kalau kita tekan save to text file, dia akan terus masuk dalam kategori lah. Contoh master customer A txt ni customer yang beli kod A. So master customer B yang beli kod B. So customer C beli customer masuk dekat order customer punya txt. So kita boleh find highest, quantity, lowest, and dia display lah highest, lowest, and descending and ascending. Ascending, descending kita orang ni ada dua, by master code and by the customer name. That's all from me. Saya teruskan kepada Farhan.
Okay, next is 5.0 sample input and output files. So first 5.1 is membership. So this customer will be able to get discount because they subscribe to the membership. So this list of name will get discount if they bought our product, which is Masker Malaya. So later on, while running the program, you can see if we put this list of name in insert the record, it will automatically give a discount to this list of name. So next is 5.2, which is Masker Customer A, Masker Customer B, and Masker Customer C text file. So eventually, if we save the text file, save to text file after inserting all the customer name, masker code, and quantity, it will eventually save automatically in each of the Masker Customer A, Masker Customer B, and Masker Customer C text file. Next is 6.0 program testing. So this is our graphical user interface, GUI. If you can see, we are trying to develop a user-friendly graphical user interface over here. And first is insert customer name, masker code, and quantity. So first, we are going to insert all the customer name, masker code, and its quantity. Second is update record. Example, if you are wrongly inserting the customer name, so you can just update the record and change to the name that you are desire or that you want to correct it. So for instance, if customer name Haziq to Alif in the index tree, this thing will going to show up. So this is before update record. If you can see, index 3 name Haziq is still there, and after update record you can see in the index 3 Haziq will change to Alif. So this is how the update record works. This is sort ascending. If you press the sort ascending, it will sort by masker price from the lowest to the highest, and by customer name, which is from A to Z, the lowest to the highest. So besides, if we sort descending, so sort by masker price, it will show from the highest to the lowest, and by the customer name from Z to A, from the highest to lowest. So next is save to text file. So if we press save to text file, it will data save into the text file, which is into the text file that I've shown just now. So next is delete record. Delete customer name Dewi in the index 5. So for example, if you want to delete any of the name in customer name in this list, you can just click the delete record and just please enter index from view record, which is if you want to delete Dewi, which is index 5, you can just put 5 into this input. And if you want to delete Zikri in the index 0, you just put 0 and just press OK. So that's the delete record works. So analysis record. So this analysis record, if we click into the analysis record, you can see the total element in the list 7, total payment received 76 ringgit, total average 10.86, and highest masker sold, lowest masker sold, and lowest quantity purchased by customer name, and the highest quantity purchased by customer. So this is the analysis record. So next is search name. So for example, if you want to search name Farhan, you can just put Farhan and search name. It will show up like this. So this is how the search name works. And for the search code, it's same as search name, but you need to insert the code in masker code A1, B1, C1, D1, A2, B2, CD, C2, D2. So you just put the A1 for example. So it will show the total receipt for masker code A1 is RM 90 ringgit 60 cent, and the name of the customer who bought the A1 masker code. Next, our other group member Nuri Nabila will running the program and show how it works.
Okay, first of all, this is our graphical user interface, and user will insert the customer name, the masker code, and the quantity of the masker by click the insert record to insert customer information. So I already insert 10 customer information. So as we can see, this is the customer name that I already insert in the record who has membership. So next, for example, I want to change Nana's name into Milana in the record due to wrong insert name. So Nana were in the index 7 in the view record. So I will insert index 7 to change the name into Milana. Okay, so as we can see, this is the result after we update the index, and the name already changed. So as we all know, we already insert the customer name in the record. Okay, to sort by masker price or customer name by ascending order, you just click the sort ascending button to view the result. So as you can see, you can sort by masker price and also by the customer name. So same goes to sort descending order. You just click the sort descending button to view the result of the sort by descending order. So next, for your information, data yang telah disimpan dalam text file akan dikategorikan mengikut jenis masker. So this is the result. Okay, so the customer who has buy masker A, it will be insert into category A, category B, or category C. So after that, this system also can delete record by click the delete record button and insert the index number of the customer that you want to delete. and then you can check the deleted name by clicking the view button. And for example, I want to delete Jana's name, so I will input index 3. So here is the result. Jana name are gone. So other than that, if you click the analysis record button, this system will be displayed total customer in the list, um, total payment by customer who has purchased the masker, and the total average of the price, highest masker sold and the lowest masker sold, lowest quantity purchased by customer, and also the highest quantity purchased by customer. So lastly, this system also can search by name of the customer. For example, I want to search the name Farhan. So I will click the button search name, and you can see the information of the customer. Other than that, you can also search by the master code. So for example, I want to search C1. So I will um, click the button, this button, search code. And this masker category will display in the system. So I think that's all from our team members. Thank you.